Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we're supposed to start the Cambridge O-level paper, Mathematics Syllabus D. Paper 2 is here, and the code of this paper is 402422/22, and this paper is May-June 2018. We're supposed to start solve some questions. Let's start. Question number 1 over here. Each week Leha works 5 days and is paid a total of the $682. Each day she works from 8:45 until 12:15 and then from 13:15 until 17:30. Calculate Leha Leha hourly rate of pay. It means she worked 5 days and there are the time interval. First time one interval is 8:45 until 12:15 and then the second one is 13:15 to 17:30. First of all, we're supposed to find the time she worked each day. Then can multiply by 5 to get the working hours in or working time in 5 days. Then we're supposed to divide that 5 days working hours and total paid, which one is the $682 to get the hourly pay. Another method is we can divide 682 by 5 and we get the answer, that is basically her pay for the 1 day. Then we're supposed to find the working hours 1 day and divided by working hours to find the Liha hourly rate of pay. Okay, let's start. First of all, we're supposed to find the time interval from 8:45 to 12:15. We get here we supposed to subtract 8:45 from 12:15 to get the time. From 8:45 to 12:15, the time working hours are 3 hours and 30 minutes. So let's say the other time, which one is from 13:15 to 17:30. When we're supposed to subtract 13:15 from 17:30, we get the time interval or the working hours are 4 hours and 15 minutes. Means 30 minutes, we subtract 15 minutes from the 30 minutes, we get 15 minutes are here. And similarly, 17 hours and minus 13, we get 4 hours and 15 minutes. Similarly here, we're supposed to get 15 minutes and 45 minutes. We're supposed to take the 1 hour borrow from the 12s, and we make that 75 minutes because we have already 15 minutes. We subtract 45 from 75, we get here 30 minutes, and 11 minus 8, we get 3 hours. It means that the first interval, which one is 8:45 to 12:15, is 3 hours and 30 minutes, and the time interval from 13:15 to 17:30. The time is 4 hours and 15 minutes. Now we're supposed to add up the time. इसके 4 hours and 15 minutes and 3 hours 30 minutes, which gives us 7 hours and 45 minutes. Same here, means 4 hours and 3 hours gives us 7 hours and 15 minutes plus 30 minutes are the 45 minutes. Working hours in 5 days. This time is basically per day. When the 5 days we're supposed to multiply with 5. Now we change 45 minutes in gives us 0.75 because 45 minutes are the 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 when it's supposed to change in the decimal points, we get the 7.75. The 7.75 times 5 gives us 38.75 hours. This is the total time she worked in 5 days, and in 5 days her wage or the total paid is 682. We're supposed to divide the working hours in 5 days to get the rate per hour. Means कि per hour rate is $17.6. Okay, $17.6 is for her hourly pay. B part over here, the same question, question number 1. Carol buys a new bicycle. After 1 year, he sells it for 231, he makes a loss of 16% on the price he paid. Calculate the price Carol's paid for bicycle. Okay, if we see this question basically gives the information over here. The selling price is $231 and the loss in percentage, that is the 16% on the price he paid, means on the cost price. Now calculate the price Carol's paid for the bicycle. We're supposed to find the cost price. Sale price is given, loss percentage is given, and loss percentage is on the cost price. We're supposed to find the cost price, means the price Carol's paid for the bicycle, that is basically his cost price is here. Let's say if the sale price is given, that is $231, loss percentage is given, that is 16%, and we're supposed to find the cost as price over here. By comparison with the cost price and the sale price, means uh, if the cost price is 100, then sale price is in the loss 84, because we're supposed to subtract 16 from 100 to get 84 over here. Let's say we suppose cost price is X, when sale price is $231, we're supposed to find the X, means then if the cost price is 100, then sale price is 84, or if sale price is 84, then cost price is 100. Then if the sale price is 231, then the cost price is, of course, cost price is greater than 231 because the loss is there, and the sale price is less than the cost price. Let's see, we're supposed to find the cost price. Then with the cross multiplication we get here 84x, means 84x, then 100 231 times 100, then 231, when we're supposed to multiply by 100, it gives us 23,100, and divided by 84 on both sides. When we're supposed to divide it by 23,100 by 84, we get the answer that is $275. This is basically is the cost price of the bicycle, uh, whose sale price is 231 at the loss of 16 loss percent of the 16% over here. Now if we compare our cost price and the sale price, cost price is greater than the sale price because loss is here. When the sale price is less than the cost price, then loss is there. The C part of the same question, the exchange rate between the dollars and euros is $1 is equals to euro 0.44. Henry changes $850 to euros for his holidays. He spends euros 260 when he is on holiday. He changes the rest of the money back to the dollars at the same exchange rate. We're supposed to calculate the how much money in dollars he receives. Give your answer correct to the nearest dollars. Exchange rate is given, means $1 is equals to 0.44 euros, and Henry wants to change. He has $850 2 euros, is given $1, and then it has 0.44 euros. Then how much he get when he has $850 to in euros. uh, the very easy method is here. We're supposed to solve this question with the ratio method, means we can say it when the dollars ratio euros $1 is there, then 0.44 euros. When we're supposed to change $850 to euros, let's say, then we suppose that will be x. With the help of the cross multiplication, x is equals to x times 1 is give us the x is equals to 850. If I suppose to, okay, means we can say it with cross multiplication, means 1 times x gives us x, and then when we're supposed to multiply 850 times 0.44, we get x is equals to 374 euros. This amount is basically in euros. We okay. Then he spent, the other part of the question is here. He spends 260 euros when he is on a holiday. After spending, he get the remaining money, that is 374 minus the amount which he has spent in euros is 260. Then he remains with 114 euros. Now the in other part he is supposed to change euros back to the dollars or the same rate. Exchange rate is same. And we're supposed to calculate how much money in dollars he receives. Now, okay, again, we're supposed to use the same method, dollars and then the euros by with the ratio methods. $1, the rate is the same 0.44, and then we're supposed to know X is unknown in dollars and he has euros. Now he has 114 euros. Again, with the cross multiplication we get here, now we can say it 0.44x is equals to 1 times 114 gives 114. Now, when we're supposed to change, divided by 0.44 on both sides, we get here x is equals to 114 by 0.44. And when we're supposed to divide it, then it gives us $259. And this answer is nearest to the dollar because we're supposed to give the answer nearest to dollars. Means if we're supposed to divide it, okay, let's say we have 114 divided by, we have then 0 point, sorry, 0.44, get the answer, that is 259.09. Means when we're supposed to change this 259.09 to nearest dollars, it is $259. Okay, D part of the same question, we have the question number 1, D part is here. Anaya has $3,000 to invest in a saving account for 3 years. She can choose from these two accounts. Means there are two options. Account 1 A is here. Means year 1 1.1% interest is there. Then year 2 1.2% interest added to end of the year, total 1. Means in year total 1. Then in year 3 1.4% interest added to end of the year, of the total 2. And other option over here, in account B, the fixed rate compound interest. Now be careful, this is the term used over here. The compound interest is 1.3% per year. Now the fixed rate in the compound interest in account B is there. Then she has an option of account A, that is given, means year 1, year 2 and year 3. Okay, she chooses the account that will give her more money at the end of 3 years. This is very important, means she want to choose the account give her more money, means okay, at the end of the 3 years, the time duration is the same. Decide which account she, sorry, okay, decide which account she has to, she chooses and find the amount that will have in her account at the end of 3 years. Means the two parts over here. Means first of all, we're supposed to choose the account which is better for her, account A or account B. Then we're supposed to find the amount also, which is means she chose the account that, for that account we're supposed to find the amount also. Okay, let's say we're supposed to find the amount in account A. The total she has in initially is principal is amount is 3,000, time is 3 years, and then let's say for account A, the amount is 3,000 times 1.011, because when we're supposed to change 1.1%, then it is basically 1.011, and then for the second year is 1.012, and for the third year is 1.014. When we're supposed to multiply these amounts, we get the amount for the account A, that is $3,112.36. This is amount for the account A at the end of 3 years. Means for the first year we're supposed to multiply by 1.011. For the second year, we're supposed to multiply 1.012 because the rate is there 1.2%. For the 3 years, 1.014. Okay. And let's say for the account B, the amount is here, that is 3000, the same amount, then 1.013, then again second year also 1.013, and the third year is also 1.013. Then the now amount becomes in account B after 3 years is 3118.52. If we're supposed to compare the amount, then here we have $3,112.36 and here 3,118.52. It means the better amount is, or the account which gives her the more money, that is account B is here. Now the amount of account B which she's supposed to choose is basically is 3,118.52. Now let's say we have for account B is here, and for the amount is written over there, $3,118.52. This is account she is supposed to choose for more money, and the type of account is B, and then the amount is after 3 years is 3,118.52. Best of luck for the question number 1.